Okay, it's Saturday. I'm in California visiting my mom, and I ran into someone. What's up, Mr. Foray?
Hello there.
We're doing a little bit different type of racing today. That is, these guys are just nuts. Here, let me show you. Are just sending it around the corner on these bikes. They've got no brakes, no nothing. This is cool. And then Cameron and Jet are both racing, so we're gonna hang out with them for a while. And these guys are insane. It's awesome. This is really, really cool and really, really dangerous. This is a good way to die. I'm gonna stick with 4 wheels and funny cars. Speaking of funny cars, Miss Frey, you wanna say anything about what's coming up?
I get to finish my license on Wednesday.
Yeah, you having fun? Watching this stuff astounds me. These guys have no brakes. It's all gas and you're drifting a motorcycle. I mean, it's easier to drift when you can pull the e-brake and turn the back end around on a car, but you're just like, send it on these, which is insane. This is a very good way to, you know, die. Jet is getting ready to go in a few minutes. How's it going, Mr. Cameron?
Gotta keep him on the gas.
You ready, buddy? You can go fast, turn left. So a big thing of this is it's super, super, super dangerous. This guy just like completely just wiped out. He's up and he's okay and he's getting back on the bike, but it is super dangerous. They're going like 100 miles an hour in these turns. Myself some hot chocolate while they water the track, and then Jet's up in a few minutes. Go, Jet! You got this, buddy. Cameron, you ready for your heat?
Yeah, let's see how this goes.
So last time he nearly fell and he had no back brakes. So I think we fixed the back brakes. So we'll see how this goes for him. These sidecars are the ones that are really crazy. One guy drives and one guy hangs off the side. I'll see if I can get a good video of it, but this is insane. This is really cool, but really insane. Here they go. You're going to be able to see how nuts these guys are. It's insane what they do. They're hanging off the back of this thing like hanging on monkey bars. Know who said, you know, this is crazy enough, but let's add on to it with another person. It's Cameron's turn. He's gonna go out and try and not fall and kill himself. I really think he needs to stick to 4 wheels. But we sold this, so the cons might not outweigh the pros here. And they do a different track with this class that Cameron's in. Go, Cameron! Ooh, Cameron's trying to make a pass on this kid. Let's go, Cameron! Okay, I am over here with 2 teams who do the sidecars. Now, these guys are the national champions last year for sidecar racing, and these guys won Daytona last year. So some pretty legendary teams we got going here. Now, what causes you guys to do the sidecars? Because this looks like really scary. I don't want no part of this.
Oh, it's a blast. It's a blast. Curry owns like 4 of them, so he said, you want to ride one? We should start riding one. I said after that, every time you ride one, we want to ride it. We do road racing sidecars, and we do this, now we do Speedway sidecars too.
That's cool. That's really, really cool. So you guys go the opposite direction of everything else. That's just because of how the bikes are built?
No, they're Australian sidecars.
Okay.
So they go the other direction.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know anything about Speedway racing. This is my first time, so I apologize if I come off as looking like a moron. Do you guys want to walk me through the bike a little bit while I'm over here?
Sure. This is my #1 sponsor, Ramos Oil Company.
Okay.
Okay. Sack Cycle. It's a GSXR 1000.
Okay.
It's basically a street bike motor
Okay.
with 3 wheels and a little bitty.
I
Little
call
step.
that a skateboard.
A skateboard. Okay.
Yeah. Show them where your skateboard. How you do that.
Dang. That is. I don't think I could ever do that.
At 60, 70, 80 miles an hour.
That's insane. I drive a Nitro Funny car, and this looks a lot scarier. Wow. Well, thank you guys for taking the time to talk to me. This stuff is really cool and really insane, and I think I'm going to stick to 4 wheels while I'm racing.
Robert Curry.
Robert Curry.
Robert Curry. Lori Curry. Wade Boyd. Eric Lindo.
Good to meet you guys. Thank you guys for taking the time to talk to me. That looks really scary, and I would want no part in doing that. Oh, Jet's going. But their main is going to be coming up in a little while, so we're going to definitely check that out. And it's really cool that 30 minutes from our house, we've got all kinds of motorcycle racing and all kinds of cool stuff that you can come out here and check out. All right, it's time for the sidecar main heat. It's pretty cool after getting to talk to these guys to see it. I'm excited to see them go again. It's insane the way they're hanging off of these skateboards. Incredible what they're doing. Wade and I believe it was Eddie are in the lead, and yeah. We've got a wee bit of a fire going over here while they clean up the oil spill on the track.
Are we on YouTube?
I like fire. Yes, sir, we are on YouTube.
Cool, good deal.
We have Cameron up to go, and then one of Cameron's friends who does Speedway stuff like professionally. It's his like complete hobby. He's going overseas to do it in a couple of weeks. He's gonna run, and afterwards we're gonna get to interview him and learn a little bit more about the Speedway stuff. I know nothing about this. It's my first time, but it is pretty cool. 169, Mr. Kevin is who we're going to get to interview. Let's hope he wins this. This is the main, the last race of the night. I just can't stress how insane this is. It kind of shows over video, but in person, they're going into these at like 80 miles an hour. It's just insane. Kevin won. Good job, Mr. Kevin. All right, so we're here with Kevin, I believe is your name, and you ride one of these big, crazy Speedway bikes. What got you into it?
You know what happened? Turned 30 years old, midlife crisis, looked through OfferUp, found myself a bike and said, let's do it. And
Nice.
then 5 years later, here we are. Got
Fair
my
enough.
kid involved. It's a big family sport.
Cool, yeah, I've been seeing you guys. You've got all this stuff here that you get to do it, which is really cool. Cameron mentioned that you get to go overseas to do it in a few weeks.
No, that's Gino Manzera.
Oh,
we give
okay.
him good luck.
Okay.
In April, takes off, representing USA
Cool.
for us. But you know, you don't need money to do this sport.
Yeah.
It's the lowest of the racing kind of sport. I mean, from drag racing, you need big sponsors and backers. Anyone can do this. Put your mind to it, and then everyone here is family. They'll all help you out as much as they can.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. One thing I noticed while out here is you look around and you see it's a big family thing, like you just
100%,
mentioned, and
100%.
anybody can come out here and do it. I'm not sure I'd be crazy enough to try it, but it is something that you can come out and do, and I commend you for doing it, because I would not be able to get on there. Funny cars are enough for me.
Yeah, that's crazy to me. I mean, but it's manhood. It has a set of balls. You gotta handle it.
Yep.
But yeah.
Well, thank you for your time, sir. Good job tonight, and yeah,
Thank you.
good luck. All right, this was a really cool experience to get to come and do with Cameron and his family. we're gonna head home, and I'm headed back to Texas tomorrow, and we have 15 days until we leave for Gainesville, and it is going to be a crazy 15 days. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTubey things, and never give up.